Greetings everyone, I've returned to Disney California Adventure for a little more rope drop action. Let's roll that intro. Yes, here we are at the beginning of the day. Rope dropping DCA. It feels so weird. I haven't done this in so long. Changing it up. And yes, at the time of this recording, it's Oogie Boogie Bashified. So yes. Yeah, well, let's see how much we can get done here in the first couple of hours. Now my strategy this morning is to go on some of the attractions that I can't use single rider for right away. And then ones that get long lines. There's one in particular. It's kind of a crazy way to start the day, but you know what? I'm gonna tell you this. If I can get on it, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be very good. Down over here by the Hollywood Studios portion of the park, and this is where the hotel guest early entry is. And there's a huge long line all the way back there. We're just kind of hanging out here, so they're gonna go in before us, I believe. Oh, this will be interesting. Yeah, so 11 minutes, a half hour before park open. And they're all getting in there. Yeah, but they have to check you all the way in the back, like way, way, way back there. Yeah, we're just waiting. And Gen Pop, as it were, you know, rope drop is commencing. Yes, the energy is always as palpable. It is palpable. Yes, but now we're going to go bear right down to Guardians, our first destination of the day. It's like our Indiana Jones Adventure, Cold Temple, the Forbidden Eye of this park. Hopefully this will really wake us up and kick off the day well. Yeah, we're walking in. It's a post wait time of 20 minutes. Might be a little bit longer than that, but it will be long throughout the rest of the day, so we'll take it. We will take it. I love Cosmo. Hi, Cosmo. So cute. Oh. But also, Ultron. Yes, one of my favorite villains. I love you, Ultron.
You who have not been paying attention, the name's Rocket. One of the Guardians of the Galaxy. The smart one. Listen up. He's gonna put you on a gantry lift for your tour. I'm gonna sneak on top of your lift and take us all the way to the big old generator control room. I'm gonna blast that thing and destroy all the control systems, which will open up every cage in this freak show and free my friends. Our buddy Mantis is in the getaway ship waiting for my signal, and then we'll be on our merry way. But this train won't work unless you help. I don't have clearance. My hands don't scan. Yours do. If you raise your hands, I get the clearance, and the chaos begins. It's a foolproof plan.
Been a little over 15 minutes so far. We're moving though. We're gonna go see the Guardians. Oh yeah, very excited. Look at classic Harold up there. Oh, might not be in Disneyland proper, but let's look at those Matterhorn vibes. So good. Well, when all is said and done, it's about 8:40 now, so it took about 40 minutes to do the whole thing. But man, that will wake you up. Oh boy. It doesn't feel as intense as Monsters After Dark. It's my preferred version, the Halloween version, but still a great attraction. Still really good. Yeah, that was fun. Ah, and the crows are here. A little murderous mood. Single rider was wide open for web slingers, so I had to do it. I've been on this for a bit, so let's go see if I've still got it. Remember, two finger point. Two finger point, two finger point.
Problem with that, Peter?
If you want to sling a web, all you gotta do is sling your arm in the direction you want to shoot the web, and that's it.
Peter, your spider bots are continuing to replicate and are consuming everything in their path.
They seem to be stuck in self-replication mode. If you could just handle that for me, please.
On it. Contacting Mr. Stark.
Don't call Mr. Stark! Don't call Mr. Stark. Sorry, Michelle. You should just call someone else, ask them to do it.
Okay. Contacting Spider-Man.
Here. I'm gonna go find Spider-Man for us all, because he's around here somewhere. Okay, goodbye. Spider-Man!
And here we go. Took like maybe 5 minutes.
I'm here. Where are you?
Damn, it's gonna take away his sec. Don't tell Banner. Maybe do tell Banner.
Disaster.
Wait, I thought was still an extra. Yeah, disaster sounds right.
I thought you agreed.
Bring up two fingers.
Little help here! Yeah. I'm glad to see you guys.
Hello. There we go. Going for the gold. I think. I see. Oh, Oh, I sniped one. I'm so good at this game. There we go.
Actually, big problem.
Go for this. Just go crazy, go crazy, go crazy. I think I'm the purple one, or the blue one.
Chain reaction.
I think you're right.
Here we go.
Stop them.
I've got an idea.
I hit the red barrel. Hit the red barrel. Hit the lasers. Hit the lasers. Aiming for the lasers. Very difficult. There we go. I hit another laser. There we go. Nailed
I
it.
can't believe the chain reaction didn't
All
work.
right.
You guys were amazing.
167.
I'm very
Wow.
impressed, Spider-Man.
I came back in the end. I did it. Yay. Now popping on over to Cars Land. One of my favorites. I love this place. It's just so good. Thought about hopping in line for Radiator Springs Racers, but the wait is 150 minutes for the regular line. Lightning lanes backed up all the way to here, and even single riders all the way back up to here. Oh my goodness. This is crazy. I've ever seen this level. Oh my gosh. That's incredible. However, Mater's looks like a really short wait, so yeah, we're hopping in. Let's go see that lovable tow truck. And there he is. Aw, I like Mater. He's great. Yeah, I covered this not too long ago in a Cars Land at Night video. It's the best time to ride at night, but this is such a fun ride any time of the day or night. And oh my gosh, is that a ghost tractor? Ghost tractor, oh my gosh, wow. Here we go. Terror begins anew. Right? Oh my goodness. Here we go. Oh my gosh, we are creeping to the right indeed. Thank you, Mater. That's good stuff. Oh my gosh. You're a damn right. Oh my gosh. I would never get tired of this feeling. Oh my gosh. Man, this might wake you up more than Guardians, man. This is crazy. I really think it's impossible not to smile and laugh on this attraction. Let me try. It's so good. Wow, oh my gosh. It's a good one. It's a good one. Oh my gosh. It's like you never really know. Wow. Feels good. And Mater's such a fun ride. I really do enjoy it. Now we're gonna head closer to Pixar Pier, see if there's a few other things we can't do before the few hours of rope drop evaporate. Well, the Little Mermaid Ariel's Undersea Adventure is basically a walk-on, so yep, we're gonna walk right on. Go see my buddy Ursula. Oh my goodness. Oh, let terror begin once again. Scuttle. What up, buddy? Is that a dingle hopper over there? Wow. You know, this beginning reminds me a little of like Spaceship Earth's ending where you go backwards and down. Yeah, it's Epcot vibes. Mixed with like living seas. Oh, Ariel. Ariel wants more. Fair enough. I want to be where the people are. I want to see them dancing, walking around on those, what do you call them? Oh, feet. Well, here we are once again. I keep checking this in the edit. For some odd reason, it always gets weird. I don't know why. So, yeah, brace yourselves for a little Ursula action. No idea how this is gonna look. Yeah, truly brace yourselves. Here we go. Say a word, kiss the girl. Everybody sing at home. Here we go. Sha la 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 la, my oh my. Look like that boy too shy. Ain't gonna kiss the girl. Sha la 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 la. Ain't that sad? It ain't a shame. Too bad he gonna miss the girl. So good. It's happily ever after. Question for anybody watching this: has anybody seen the sequel? Does anybody know about Melody? Let me know. Let me know if you guys know. And I returned to it at last. Goofy's Sky School. Time for a big crunch in this video. And it's because this is one of the most terrifying attractions, I think, on our property. Post wait time 35 minutes, but I think Single Rider's open, so let's see it. Let us in. Here we go. I like one.
Oh no!
Woo! Oh, it's so scary. Ah! Oh, my goodness. So intense. Slow drop. Little Mermaid, Goofy Sky School. Two ends of the spectrum. Both very fun. Both very fun. But yes, I want to jump in here for just a second and thank all the people supporting the channel financially. Thank you members, thank you patrons, thank you anybody who's donated, all that stuff. It really means a lot to me. I like to do this because I just want you guys to know how much you mean to me. And I know I talk about it at the end too, but it's one of those things I just want to jump in here because all those people who are watching right now, I'm sending my love to you. And if you want to support the channel, please consider checking out the links below. That'd be great. We've got a little bit more time here, so let's do a little more, shall we? Ooh. Down over by Grizzly River Run, look at that. That's some theming right there. It's the very first version of a gladiator, maybe. I don't know. Anyway, have I made that joke here before? I'm not sure. I'm not sure, but I love this portion of the park. It's so good. So good, I love it. Just drink it up for a second with me, will you? So good, I love it so much. Ah yes, I love coming into Grizzly River Run and watching them splash down. The screams are not as prevalent this time of the day. We are early on. We have incredibly brave souls. Now I'd say, oh, there we go. I'd say the bravest souls are in the morning. At night, yes, it is dark and a little bit cooler, of course, but these guys are gonna have to live with their choices for the rest of the day. And you know what? I respect and salute all those people. Good on you. Good on you. Yes. Lest my eyes deceive me, I think that soaring around the world is almost a walk-on. Maybe. At least we're gonna get inside the building, which is pretty good. So let's just find out together. I don't know. See, normally I'd be doing like Single Rider, but I don't think we need to. We just walk straight in here. Maybe 10-15 minutes? I don't know, it's not bad. Not bad at all. I was brought down to C3, so very different than what I normally get here, but we'll try it out and see how it looks. Get ready for it. Oh boy. As you can see, the view is a little different, but still cool experience nonetheless. Yeah, definitely a different perspective. It's cool though, it's cool. Yeah. Mount Kilimanjaro in the back. Some good mountains on this ride, you know? Dig it. Our birdie friend. Ah! Yeah. Oh, I want to go here. Look at this moment of truth. That's not bending too badly. Okay, maybe a little bit. Still not bad. Still not bad. Disneyland. I love Disneyland. Oh, Soarin'. And you know, I'll say this. I didn't notice the smells as much in the row I was in. Maybe it's just the row, or maybe it just wasn't the same. I could hear them going off. I could smell them a little bit, but not the same as normal. But still, no completely horrible seat in the house for Soarin', I don't think. That all being said, B1 is the one. Still the true one. Oh my gosh. B1's so good. I love you, B1. I love you so. Well, everybody, that's going to do it for my rope drop video here at DCA. I hope you enjoyed it. If you made it all the way to the end, leave the word rope, R-O-P-E, in the comments down below. Yeah, and also let me know what your favorite ride is here. You know, we did 5 in not too long a time. Pretty proud of that. I would have loved to have gotten Radiator Springs, but this wasn't in the cards today. You know, and also I looked at Midway Mania, it was already up to 50 minutes, 5-0. I was like, oh my gosh, no. So, oh well, just gotta roll with the punches. Adapt and overcome, as I always say. But I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. It means a heck of a lot to me. If you want to help this video, just consider liking it if it made you smile once, maybe twice. And yeah, I appreciate all the shares too. The shares, I've been seeing those. It means a lot to me. It helps grow the channel in a huge way. So thank you, thank you, thank you. But a huge, 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 huge thank you to all the people, like I was talking about before, supporting the channel financially on Patreon, on, you know, here are the memberships, Venmo, PayPal, all those things. If you want to support me, keep me alive, check out the links down below. And if you want to get your name here at the end of the video, it's $5 a month. Yeah, you can be right over here with all these other fine folks. But yeah, thank you so much. I appreciate you. And until next time, just remember to adapt and overcome. Bye-bye.